Hello, my friend. Alicia Lynn Diaz here, transformational healer and creator of the Enlightened Body System. I am just enjoying the sunshine right now down here on this beautiful river with this beautiful doggie. We are just hitting spring in Central Oregon and the snow is melting. And I was just taking this opportunity to come into nature to reflect and share some of this beauty and wisdom with you. So I recently had a call with one of my wonderful clients and students in the Enlightened Body System. And on this call, I realized that he was achieving great results with his health. And that he was like, I can't believe this. I can't believe that I'm not self-sabotaging. I can't believe that I'm naturally inclined to make healthy foods for myself and that I am enjoying various aspects of health behaviors, and I'm not getting emotionally triggered by things that normally would have caused me to get super angry and all these different things. So we were celebrating on this call all of these successes. And one of the distinctions that we made while we were chatting was this concept of living with intention, because you can go about the actions in your life, whether it's your work or your relationships, or in this case, your health, and you can go at them from two different energies, essentially. You can take action, such as trying to change your diet or your exercise or your lifestyle, from the outside in, or you can take action from the inside out. And here's kind of what I mean by that. So for one, most people in the health and wellness industry are compelled by fear. Do you ever feel compelled by fear? You have a symptom, you feel sick, you feel all of these different things that are negative. Of course it's going to bring up some fear and some discomfort inside of your body, right? So you can go out trying to do the things from the outside in and try to change the behaviors and try to learn all the things and try to go after all of the various different tools and techniques and modalities, and you can try to do all of these different things. But if your action is coming from a place of fear, coming from a place of uncertainty or even disbelief in yourself or your body's ability to heal from the ailment, then you are actually perpetuating and feeding the fear-based energy in your body, which then upregulates your nervous system and causes more stress and anxiety, and essentially has you hold on to the symptom or the excess weight or whatever the case may be. On the other hand, you can intend to connect with these different behaviors or these different actions that you know are going to support your body and your health. And you can do that from a place of trust and of peace and of certainty and of compassion for yourself. And when you mess up, you can also bring to your next action a sense of compassion rather than a sense of self-punishment. Do you see the distinction? When we create health from the inside out, this is the change that actually makes transformation and that actually lasts. When we incessantly try to do everything from the outside in, hoping that if we find the right diet, exercise, nutrition plan, XYZ modality, hopefully it will turn into the experience that we desire to be having. It's all about intention. Your intention makes all the difference. So where can you today apply this idea? What is one action that you're maybe doing right now while you're watching this video, or that you're about to do right after this video, that you can engage in with more compassion, more presence, more peace, more faith, versus acting out of some form of self-punishment or guilt or fear or anger or frustration, right? And only you know what that is, because you're inside of your own experience. But I do assure you that when you create and intend to do these actions or anything that you're engaging in, particularly when it comes to your health, that engaging in those actions will perpetuate more of the energy that's underneath your intention behind them, and that will be the result that you get. And so may this serve as a reminder for you to continue acting from an intention of self-love, self-compassion, and just watch all of your goals that you may have, the excess weight that you want to lose, the digestive discomfort that you've been having, watch it all melt away when you act with intentionality from this place of positive reinforcement. So thank you for being here with me. Please share this video with someone that you love that may really need or appreciate this message. And if you'd like to learn more about some of this work that is part of the foundation of the Enlightened Body System, there are a lot of free resources on my website, alicialyndiaz.com. So please head over there. And if you'd like to apply for one of the next spaces opening in the Enlightened Body System, you can just click the button Work With Me at alicialyndiaz.com. Just click Work With Me and you can fill out an application and I'll respond to you individually, personally. So sending you so much love. Have a beautiful day and get outside in nature and enjoy this life. Blessings.